Welcome. I want to share with you a few words of encouragement.
God is saying today, you are entering a new and beautiful phase of life filled with joy and peace. You are going to be surprised with gifts of good health, success and all the dreams coming true. God says, you never gave up in such hard circumstances and always had faith in me. I am going to reward you by taking away all your worries and fighting your battles. Just relax. Say this prayer. God, please lead me to the path of truth and help me to be like you. Keep me away from temptations. God, I want to be with you at your feet always. Protect and guide me to stay away from the devil and do good deeds in life. Praise the Lord.